So another thing I wanted to talk is about space switching. So normally in rigs, we always struggle with animators asking to have space switches for all the controllers and everything. Space switching means what I just showed in the clavicle. So basically, if I rotate the clavicle, the whole arm moves. But let's say that I wanted to keep the hands where they are and just move the clavicle, but actually make the arm almost like bend and try to keep hold the position where the arm is, where the hand is. But the thing is with counter rig is that we have this option here called spaces, and we can, while animating, we can create all the space switches we want. So I would start creating a keyframe here. So I'm going to filter for animated tracks. Oops. Controls. I'm going to create a keyframe here, and then animated. Oops. Animated tracks. So then I'm going to move these to down here. Let's say. So this is my animation, and then now I'm going to rotate my body to be starting here, and then here it rotates. Oh, sorry, it's this controller I want. So this one. I'm keyframing using S, but I will have a whole class about sequencer in animation later. I just wanted to show that this is an option for us to consider. So I'll move this here. And then let's say that I will move the body again, but I want the hand to stay where it was. So now the hand is just following the body because it's just working as a full movement. But if I go in this keyframe here and I create a new space and I want the hand to actually follow global because or the cog because the cog is not moving. So let's see if that works. So if I change this to here and I press S, I'm showing here, if I open the options here, I can see that here it's the space is to the parent, which means the rest of the arm. And from here on, the space is to the cog. So that means that if I move, it will try to keep the position, you see, because the cog is not moving. Because I don't have a stretch on, it actually, because of the length of the arm, it will eventually move. So actually, let's just add that so we can see how it works. So left arm stretch, if I turn it on, yeah, that means that the arm then stays and holds the position. This vibration here is just a visualization issue, but when you render the animation, that won't really happen. Yeah, and that's how you work with spaces in a reel. So you can just easily tweak them and create as you need. So your rig doesn't have to have all the spaces possible by default. The animator can just create as it happens and as the need the need of the actual animation.